Step-by-step obesity surgery journey. One of the main concerns that our patients ask coming from outside of Turkey to undergo stomach reduction surgery is, what will happen after they get off the plane? It's a good question. So in this video, we will explain this process to you. Step number 1, contacting our patient representative and getting information. If you have questions about stomach reduction surgery, you can easily reach our patient representative anytime by calling 860-775-5140. Your patient representative will contact you without delay to determine your body mass index, get your basic health information, and determine the most appropriate method for you by providing detailed information about treatments. You will also have the opportunity to clarify any concerns and questions you may have by placing a phone call or having a virtual meeting with our doctors. Then your personal health information will be examined in detail by our physicians and your suitability for the operation will be checked. After the medical approval of our physicians, the only thing required of you is to determine an appropriate surgery date. Step 2, airport pickup and check-in procedures. After the flight, you will have finally landed in Istanbul. When you get off your plane, our driver will greet you and bring you to the hospital with our VIP transfer vehicle. An English-speaking patient representative will be assisting you for the duration of your stay, and on the first day will help guide you through some basic check-in procedures as well. Step 3, examinations and meeting with your doctor. After we have completed your hospitalization procedures, we will complete your examinations related to your stomach reduction operation in this step. While you are preparing for the operation step by step, we will conduct the following examinations to review your results: lung X-ray, pulmonary function test, heart graph, blood analysis, and ultrasound. After these examinations, you will have meetings with the psychiatrist, internal medicine, and anesthesiologist. And once completed, we will have the opportunity to review your physical and mental state in the process leading up to the operation. After this, you will meet with our doctor who will perform your stomach reduction surgery. Our doctor will give you various information about your operation while examining the results, and the doctor will address any questions or concerns that you may have following the operation. This step 3 will be done on the first day of arrival to the hospital without any waiting time. Additionally, there will be no fee for these tests and examinations. Step 4, endoscopy and surgery. Here's the moment that you've been waiting for. After your checkups are completed and you talk to your doctor on the first day, the next day you are now ready for the stomach reduction operation. Well, during this step, you will undergo the life-changing operation according to your needs. We will apply full anesthesia to put you to sleep during the operation, and you will not feel a thing. In order to measure your body's response to the operation after the stomach reduction operation and to monitor your health closely, you will need to stay in the hospital for a certain period of time during your recovery process. Generally, 2 to 3 hours is estimated for non-surgical operations like gastric balloon and stomach Botox to stay in the hospital after the operation, while 1 to 2 days is enough for gastric sleeve and gastric bypass surgery to stay in the hospital after the operation is performed. The approximate operation times are as follows: gastric balloon and stomach Botox procedures take approximately 30 minutes, ranging to gastric sleeve surgery and gastric bypass, which usually take about an hour in time. Step 5. Discharge from the hospital. Well, you've successfully undergone the surgery now, and you've stayed in your hospital for your recovery and observation time, depending on your surgery, of course. Very, very good. But before you are fully discharged from our care, your doctor and your dietitian will perform your checkups and share various details about your new post-operative period with you. Now, in this step, your liquid nutrition process will be explained to you by your bariatric dietitian, and you will be prescribed and provided the drugs that you need to use post-surgery, and your bariatric dietitian will explain the instructions for use and implementation. The prescription, medication, and explanation are provided for free and included in your package. Your doctor will do your final checks before you are discharged from the hospital. Step 7, final checks and back home. And here we are at the final step. Final checkups and reviews and back home. At this step, you will be looking forward to going back home, I'm sure, but we need to bring you to the hospital one last time for final checkups. Your doctor and your dietitian will examine you one last time to see if everything is okay before you return home. After your doctor and your dietitian have completed your final checks, your individual VIP shuttle will transport you to the airport on time for your return home. You are now ready to begin a new chapter in your life. Congratulations! Everyone at home will see the results as promised. The transformation will be amazing.